did it. Chef Singh in the building. I don't know how to turn this on. So I put the best onion I could find. My mom says she got some spring onions. So here it is. Let the onion flavor up the oil. Do you guys know about an induction stovetop? That's what I need. This is just boring. I'm just gonna wait till I hear this. Why is your bag pink, Daddy?
With that,
Pink?
yes, multiple colors.
So the chicken's already pre-marinated, okay? I personally think black pepper's missing, but I'm gonna write you a speeding ticket, Daddy. When was the last time you got a speeding ticket? Long time, right? More than 10, 20 years?
Almost 30 years. Not after I moved to Ocala.
That's not true. You definitely got speeding tickets in Ocala.
3 times, they stopped me.
So you can see the juice. Juice. See the juice is the oil. I guess it's just yogurt and some oil and things like that. So I'm currently on hold, but I'm still cooking. So the secret it's officially time to change strategy. This doesn't work. Oh, I need this. Oh yeah. So time to put in masala, I think. And some flavor. probably enough. Oh yeah, I can smell it. I'd like to put some coriander in this thing at the end of it all. Wow, Mom. Well, Mom did it again, boy. Bismillah. Yup. Oh, yeah. Meanwhile, I'm still on hold.